is MAC operating segment? It is a component of an entity that engage with business activities from which it may earn revenues and incur expenses, including revenues and expenses relating to transactions with the other components of the same entity. It is also a component of an entity whose operating results are regularly reviewed by the entity's chief operating decision maker to make decisions about the resources to be allocated to the segment and assess its performance, and also for which discrete financial information is available. So, the company that our group chose is MISC Berhad. MISC Berhad is a Malaysian maritime company that specializes in energy-related shipping and maritime services. Next, let's move on with Chief of Decision Making, which is known as CODM. CODM refers to the senior leader responsible for the design, oversight and quality of organizational decision-making process. There are two CODM for MISC. The first one is Raja Azlan Shah, Raja Azwa. He is the Chief Strategy and also Sustainable Officer. And the second one is Afendi Muhammad Ali. He is the Chief Financial Officer. As for the other company, we chose VS Industry Berhad. So the CODM for VS Industry Berhad is Datuk Beh Kim Ling. He is the Executive Chairman. And the next one is Datuk Gan Semyam. He is the Managing Director. There are two types of segmental report used in financial reporting. For MISC, the business segment in MISC is gas assets and solution, petroleum, offshore, marine, and heavy engineering. The business also implements geographical areas other than in Malaysia. The geographical areas comprises of the Americas, Asia, Africa, and Europe.
Segmental report under FAR570 plays a crucial role in helping investor and stakeholder in understanding how different departments of the company performs and how each of them are affected by various economic conditions. So here, we will explore two key benefits of segmental report using MISC Berhad financial report as our reference. The first key benefit is that segmental reports helps improve understanding of the business performance. Segmental reports breaks down a company overall financial result into individual business unit. Therefore, users can clearly identify which part is doing well and which part is not. For example, in MISC Berhad 2024 financial report, the company disclosed its revenue and operating profit by segment, which is gas asset and solution, offshore, marine and heavy engineering, and also petroleum and product shipping. From here, we can see that petroleum and product shipping, a gas asset and solution, and also marine and heavy engineering were the main profit contributors. However, from the group financial review, offshore segment show a sharp decline in its profits from 652.2 million to only 51.1 million. This 92% decrease in its profits due to project completions and also cost provision. For investor, these informations highlight which part of business is performing well and which part of it is facing challenges. So, investor can make a better evaluations of the company's sustainability and also performance trends. The second key benefit is that segmental reporting helps in risk assessment and also resource allocation. Each of MISC business segments operates under different risk conditions. For example, the report shows that offshore segment profits dropped by 92% compared to the previous year due to lower project progress, while marine and heavy engineering segments recover because of improvement in cost control and efficiency. This helps shareholders to analyze where the risks lie, such as project delay or long-term recurring income is generated, like in the gas asset and solutions segment. In summary, FAR570 segmental reportings provide clarity, transparency, and insight into a company's diverse operations.
What is MFRS 134? MFRS 134 Interim Financial Reporting is a financial report for a shorter period than full financial year, like quarterly and half yearly. MFRS 134 prescribe the minimum content including disclosure, identify recognition, measurement principles that should be applied in interim financial reports. Let me share a significant event that we identified in Malaysia oil and gas industry involving Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering known as MMHE and also Kebambangan Petroleum Operating Company known as KPOC. This dispute began with KPOC start claiming certain valves supplied by MMHE for Kebambangan gas field project which are defective that cause losses. The KPOC initially sought over 93.1 million ringgit but later reduced to 58.9 million ringgit. In 2021, the arbitration tribunal decided for MMHE to pay 28 million ringgit to KPOC, covering past expenses, future valve replacement, and as well as legal costs. However, MMHE they challenged this decision, claiming that there was a breach of natural justice. In August 2022, the High Court agreed with MMHE and they set aside the entire arbitration award. The High Court also ordered for KPOC to pay costs to MMHE. KPOC then appealed, but the High Court of Appeal dismissed the appeal, and again they ruling with MMHE's favor and awarding further cost of 65,000 ringgit. KPOC now taken this matter to federal court and which will hear its application for leave to appeal in June 2025.
The next significant event is between Malaysian Offshore Mobile Production Labuan MOMPL and PCPP Operating Company Sdn Berhad. MOMPL, a wholly owned subsidiary of Misc Berhad, entered into a contract with PCPP to lease, operate and maintain 2 offshore production units. However, a dispute arose when PCPP failed to pay MOMPL for the work done, and the total is approximately $120 million. MOMPL first tried to settle the issue by discussing it directly with PCPP. Unfortunately, those discussions did not end well, so MOMPL decided to take it to the court. They brought the case to adjudication and won, but due to a later court ruling which stated that SIPA Act only applies to contract made after 2014, the outcomes of the adjudication could not be enforced. As a result, MOMPL moved the case to arbitration to continue pursuing the unpaid amount. Currently, MOMPL is waiting for the payment to be recovered from the liquidators who is seeking the funds from PCPP's shareholder, namely Petronas Carigali, Pertamina Hulu Energy and Petro Vietnam Corporation. Next, I will explain the current and comparative financial statement in MISC Berhad for the first quarter of 2025. First, for the statement of financial position, it is reported that the current reporting period is as at 31st March 2025 and the comparative reporting period is as at 31st December 2024. Next, for the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, the current reporting period starts from 1st January to 31st March 2025 and the comparative reporting period starts from 1st January to 31st March 2024. Lastly, for the statement of cash flow and statement of changes in equity, the current reporting period also starts from 1st January to 31st March 2025 and the comparative reporting period also starts from 1st January to 31st March 2024.
This is the statement of financial position. This is the statement of profit or loss. This is the statement of cash flow. And lastly, this is the statement of changes in equity